Hills they whisper soft and slow. Koriïa, lyngdoh, where do you go? Leaves they tremble, stories untold. Your shadow lingers, the night's grown cold. No filo. Sing your name downstream. Koriïa's steps a fleeting dream. Footprints fade on the red soil trail. Whispered prayers through the morning veil. No feel long. Lanterns rise in the darkened sky, each one a hope, a whispered why. If the stars could speak, they'd call you near. But silence answers, you're not here.